before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Contrast +8. Highlights -70. Shadows +71. Whites +16. Blacks +25. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to color. Vibrance +23. Saturation +13. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue +35. Saturation +15. Luminance -26. Go to orange color. Saturation -6. Luminance +5. Go to yellow color. Hue -41. Saturation -40. Luminance +23. Go to green color. Hue -57. Saturation -65. Luminance -36. Go to aqua color. Hue +12. Saturation -35. Luminance +9. Go to blue color. Hue -10. Saturation 52. Luminance -16. Go to purple color. Hue plus 15. Saturation minus 45. Luminance plus 39. Go to magenta color. Hue plus 12. Saturation minus 45. Luminance plus 10. And done. Go to effects. Clarity plus 11. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 54. Noise reduction 25. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Go to profiles. Select modern 4. Modern 4 by 55. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.